Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about meditation. So what is meditation? Are you scared when you hear the word meditation? Do you think you have to sit doing nothing for a few hours? If yes is your answer, then this video is for you. Let's understand our mind. In our mind, we have conscious mind, subconscious mind, and superconscious mind. Our conscious mind is like a monkey mind. It chatters whole day from one topic to another and another, continuous without stopping. We have 70,000 and more thoughts in one day. Our mind is constantly busy thinking many thoughts. When our body is tired, we sleep to rest our body. In the same way, our monkey mind needs some rest. And how do we help our mind to rest? That is through meditation. Now the question is, how do we meditate? I personally keep it very simple. This technique has worked for me, and this is what I'm going to share with you all today. There are many ways to meditate, and you can try different ways and choose whichever suits you the best. I will share my way of meditating, and this has worked the best for me. I have tried to meditate with music, without music, sitting on the floor, sitting on the chair, couch, lying down, meditating morning time, meditating evening, night time. I have used meditating apps, and after experimenting for many years, I found the easiest was to meditate before I go to sleep. My routine is I write down all the things that happen throughout the day, the good, the bad, the ugly, any worries I have, and then bless the people who have bothered me that day or any situation which made me worry. Now everything is on the paper and my mind is almost clear. My mind can never be clear of thoughts, right? Because it has so many things going on in my brain. I worry a lot about others and myself, so this writing down everything helps me to clear my mind. Now, after blessing the people, situation, I chant Ho'oponopono prayer minimum 11 times or until I'm satisfied. Now I give command to my mind and I say, mind, I command you to be quiet for 2 minutes and I don't want you to disturb me for 2 minutes. Now it's meditation time. If you have never tried meditating, then try for half a minute or 1 minute, then gradually you can increase when you are ready. When you give command to your mind, it has to obey you. With half a minute or 1 minute, your mind does not resist or put up a fight with you. After giving command to your mind, sit with your legs crossed, back straight, shoulder back, chest forward, and your head straight. Your body posture is very important here. You are hunching your back, shoulders dropped, head dropped. That gives your body a message to be lazy, not pay attention or focus. So this is not a good posture for meditating. Your body needs to be alert when you are meditating. Either you can sit on your bed or on a mat, a chair, a couch, doesn't matter, but never sit straight on the floor. You can use a mat or a pillow, carpet, whichever is comfortable to sit on. Now you close your eyes, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And now only concentrate on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. You can keep a timer in the beginning so your mind gets the message that it has to be quiet for a minute or two. Try for a minute or two at least for 30 days and then gradually increase your timings so your mind does not get a chance to resist or to fight. You want to be in peace with your mind, right? After you have meditated, then say thank you to your mind. This method has helped me to meditate easily and effortlessly. Once you have trained your mind to sit still, then you don't have to give command anymore. So what meditation is like talking through phone to your higher self, universe, God, whoever you believe in. So when you are meditating, this is your question. You're calling God, universe, or higher intelligence, and then asking a question. And you get the answer from the God, universe, or infinite intelligence through intuition. So this is the intuition is God calling you back or answering you back. And meditation is you calling the God or the universe or the infinite intelligence to ask a question. So you get the answer through intuition. Start meditating with 1 or 2 minutes and gradually increase it, and you will see how easily your mind will obey your orders, obey your command, and then it will slow down. There won't be much thinking. If there are thoughts, then let it come. So you acknowledge the thought and concentrate back again on your. This is easy way of meditation, and this has worked for me. It took me a very long time to understand what is meditation and how to quieten my mind. Now I can say I can meditate for 15 minutes, not more than that. This method has worked for me, and if you would like, you can also try this method or try different methods and see which one works best for you. So meditation is really very, very important for our well-being, mindfulness, and helps you in many different ways and teaches your body to slow down and be in the present moment and enjoy the life. Be in the present moment and be grateful and thankful to everything you have in your life. So hopefully this video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.